Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today I am making vanilla custard with jelly and home baked cake. First I will make jelly. So I have 1 pack of pineapple jelly, which is 80 gram. You can use any flavor of your choice. I am using 1.5 cup of water to make it. So let's start with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a small pan add water, then jelly, and mix it to dissolve it. After 6 minutes, it start to boil. Let it boil for 30 seconds, then pour it in a bowl and keep it at room temperature for 30 minutes, then in fridge for an hour to set it, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will make custard, and to make it I need whole milk 3 cups, sugar 9 tablespoons, vanilla custard powder 6 tablespoons, 1 cup milk to mix it in custard powder, and home baked cake pieces 1.5 cup. So let's make custard with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a cooking pan add milk, then sugar, and keep the flame at medium-low. Mix custard powder and 1 cup of milk with a whisk. After 6 minutes, milk start to boil. Now add mixture of custard powder and milk in it, and stir it continuously so it could not stick to the bottom of the pan. It start to thicken up after 4 minutes, mashallah. Now keep the flame medium high and stir it. This much thickness of custard is okay for the cake to absorb it. It is done now, alhamdulillah. Turn off the flame and add pieces of cake in the custard. Mix them and pour in a bowl to set it, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, both custard and jelly are ready. I kept custard at room temperature for 15 minutes, then in freezer for 20 minutes, and then in fridge for 30 minutes. It is set, alhamdulillah. Jelly took 2 hours in fridge to set. It will take less time in freezer. So let's decorate jelly on custard and serve it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very yummy vanilla custard with pineapple jelly and cake is ready. It is a delicious treat for summer. Enjoy and share the recipe. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.